Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news into the market at 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price can be really volatile and which is not ideal for a lower time frame trade. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD and we are within this candles range right now. So significantly there is no clear bias for monthly levels, but we are having this BPR, so I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to tap this BPR and then see a reaction into the other side. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in that to define our daily bias. So as we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that this was a POI which could have been responsible for the price to push back into the lower side, but currently we are seeing that the price is reluctant to get a close above this POI. So most likely we are still bearish, but this leg will decide that if we are actually bearish or is there any hurdle for the price to go into the lower side. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that the price is currently making a BPR. It is still there. The price had as the day has yet not closed. We are having 17 hours left. So this is not a complete BPR, but it's still forming. But what we can see is that the price had already disrespected this FVG, which is quite a significant sign that the price is not yet much bullish. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in this leg. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that this was the area which was responsible for the price to break above this resistance zone, or you can say the flip zone, and this is the current order flow which was going into the market, and we are having this unmitigated POI, or you can completely say the order block or order flow at this area which is unmitigated by the market, and the price has started to respect the FVGs. You can clearly see. So we are bearish into the market right now, at least till this level. So I'm anticipating now that this is the area which is going to be the deciding factor. If not, then we might be coming all the way down to hit this 4H BPR that is here, which will be confirmed in 2H2. So if we are going to disrespect it and not break this high, that is the sitting equal high, then most likely I'll be anticipating that the price is going to come all the way down till this level. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours gives some kind of a similar scenario where the price is having this BPR, though it is already tested. So most likely this is the lower levels, much lower levels there. So we are still having this FVG even in 2 hours. So it could be a point of reaction or a smaller scalp could be a possibility here. So I'll be looking at this POI. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hours, the 1 hours also confirms the bias, that is, we are having unmitigated FVG at this point too, which aligns with the idea of order flow into the market. So we can possibly see a reaction into the upside direction, and that could be a decider, because if we are going to break all the way up, then we are going to be bullish into the market. Yet if we disrespect it, we are going all the way down and take all of these liquidities sitting into the price, and we are going all the way down to mitigate this level. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely in London session the price is going to take the Asia sessions low, and then we are going to go higher, and this could be one of the cases. And the second one could be the price keeps on going lower, tap this level, we are going to move a bit higher, let's say up to 50% of the Asia, and then we are going to have a reaction into the downward side. So these are the two possible scenarios into the price right now, and this will be my trade plan. So traders, this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or any suggestions for the channel. So thank you for watching.